Have you ever noticed why the words like guilt, guide, guise, guile has the silent letter U? Let me tell you why. Letter G has two sounds, soft and hard. Its soft sound is like J and its hard sound is its consonant sound, that is G. It makes soft sound whenever it comes before E, I and Y, and it makes its consonant sound G whenever it comes before A, O and U. So if we don't put silent letter U here, it will make its soft sound, that is J. It will become J-eyed, chide. So to avoid its J sound, we put silent letter here, U. Now it will become guide. Here the silent letter U actually protects the sound of the letter G. If you found it helpful, don't forget to follow, like and share. Thanks for watching.